There's a pidgin adage that says that pikin wey no get helper suppose get sense. Now you wey dey look me like this now, you know say you no get helper. You know say na only you, your mama gets, your papa gets. You know say for your family, for your circle of friends, if everything sup finish, you no get anybody for your contact list wey you fit call say guy, lady, woman, man, mama, papa, sister, brother, abeg help me with urgent 2k. Nobody wey you fit call. Maybe you know say you suppose add smartness to this thing and start using your smartphone to make money online. Let me explain it further to you. Are you aware that you can start taking online surveys with just your smartphone? You don't even need a laptop, and you'll be earning in pounds, dollars, or euros as the case may be. Now, for some of you, you've heard about online surveys before, but you're wondering, does this still pay? Is this still paying? Is this something I can still do in 2025? Is there still a profitable side also? Well, I am here to announce it to you. Yes, online survey is still a profitable side also in 2025, and bad as it bad. Bad as it bad, because right here I don't like to exaggerate things for people, and I don't like to give people false hope. Okay, bad as it bad, you should be getting £5 in a week. I know it sounds small, like £5, you know, this problem where I put myself, £5 not go do me anything. No, yes, it no go do you anything, but remember you are a beginner and you need to learn. So for the start, if you dey see £5 every week, I don't think say it bad. If you even dey see £10 every week, they see £20 every week, and guess what? As time goes on, as you progress in this, you make more money. We have people in our online survey community that started with us since last year and see how much money they have made so far. Now, if someone had told them that time that they were going to make this money, they would doubt the person. They would say, hey, they don't come again, all these online people. But the truth of the matter is, you are going to make that money. It just be like pikin wey they just born today, and you can't tell the pikin, say, pikin, you know, say you go walk, you go waka, you go become big man. You know, say the baby go, they look like, say, what is that? But the truth of the matter is, not time the baby need a be, not time, because with time the baby go waka, the baby go become big person for life. But if you start doubting at that point and saying, these people don't come again, me way beside all my bone never even feel formed together, and me go waka, and me go this, and me go that. But the truth of the matter is, you will, and the baby will start by crawling. From crawling, you go waka, and you go become big boy, big woman, big madam for life. Now, so life be. You are a beginner, I no go the sugarcoat am for you. Money day online survey, that's the truth. Money day online survey, serious money e dey online survey, but you no go make that money immediately you start them. You see people where they say, I don't make £1,000 on online survey. No be one day, oh. No be one day, oh. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with what? Thank you for helping me to complete it. What I'm just trying to let you know is that in 2025, online survey is still paying, so don't sleep on it. As a beginner, this is something, a training that you can learn in a day. As a matter of fact, some people learn it in few hours, 6 hours, 8 hours. Just give yourself 1 day, 2 days. Maybe you can be slow learner. 1 week, you're good to go. Do you understand? You can start. When you start seeing your money, you start making money, and you can use it to augment your bills. See, Sapa is real. Sapa is very, very real. And in this current economy that we are right now, anything at all that can give you anything, bad as it bad, my dear, please grab it and hold on. Full tutorial that actually explains this online survey in detail. I'm going to leave the link to that in the description of this video, or maybe I'll pin it in the comment section. Go and watch it, learn, and you know, take advantage of it and get started. I also have a paid community. Right now it's just 7,500 naira for you to be a part of us. You get to learn everything about online surveys. You know, you get to have access to coaching, and you know, you can ask questions, get to be in the community of like-minded people where all you think and do is what? Online service. Now, if you are interested in joining, just let me know in the comment section as well, and I'll forward you the details. So you know what, that particular full-out tutorial that I talked about in the description of this video, go and watch it. You're gonna love it, and you're going to bless God that you came across that video and watched it, because it's going to be an eye opener for you. It's going to tell you everything you need in order for you to start online surveys and make money from online surveys. So please don't dull yourself. Remember what I said earlier when I started this video. I said pikin wey no get helper suppose get wetin? Thank you so much for completing it for me. Now, for those of you seeing me for the very first time, my name is Mandy Rachel, and on this channel, I teach you tips that you can actually use to leverage on your smartphone to make money online. Now, don't forget, give this video a thumbs up, very, very important. It helps the algorithm show it to more people like you looking for ways to leverage on their smartphones to make money online. Also, tap on that subscribe button, very, very important. Subscribe to this channel, tap on the bell icon right beside it, turn on post notifications for all of my videos so that when I drop new videos, you will be the first to know, because YouTube will personally notify you and you do not miss a single thing on my channel. Also, finally, remember to share this video, share it with your friends, share it to your WhatsApp groups, share it to your friends you know need to come and watch this, learn and implement. Get sharing right now, share to your social media, and if you have any questions, please, I beg you, feel free to drop them in the comment section. This is not a time for you to be shy or a time for you to be feeling, oh, should I ask this question? Should I not ask this question? There is nothing like a stupid question, okay? Ask your questions in the comment section and I promise you I'll do my best to answer as many questions as I get. Now, until next time when I come your way again, keep being amazing. I love you and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.